lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. I am rocking my legs and preparing for compass pose. Compass pose, you want your left leg to be tucked in and you're lifting up your right legs with your left hand. I'm pulling over my shoulders and I'm looking towards that right hand side. And guys, this pose is tricky because it looks very complicated, but it is a very simple pose that you can try to learn, coordinate your balance, and also just try. And the next pose I really like to do, another tricky pose, is the 8 angle pose. I lifted my right hand over my right leg over my shoulders and I planted my legs on the ground and I lifted up in 8 angle pose. And now guys, some people can do it on their left hand side more than they can do it on their right hand side. So you go ahead and check if you can do the 8 angle pose on the left hand side, on the right hand side. So first of all, you want to take your leg and wrap it around your shoulders and then fix your leg together. Remember to find your focus, lifting up and facing forward. Now this is an upper body pose, so you're going to feel your shoulders squeezing and all the energy and strength going out of you. So usually after doing the 8 angle pose and compass pose, I like to take cat cow, inhaling, exhaling, and just allowing my back to lengthen out while I get ready for the next pose. And the next pose I think is tricky and it's fun pose. It is the flying split pose. Now guys, this pose is very simple to do. You just need to get like an upper body strength and just try to hold it as long as you can. Immediately after I finished doing it, I decided to take another cat cow and now stretch in this bow position and lifting up my legs, almost lifting up for Superman crunch, and just stretching that part of my body where I feel like I over or hyper extended. And after that, I grabbed my left leg and I pulled all the way up, stretching out to just take a break before I prepare for the next pose. Now guys, you can either take child's pose or you can take any pose you want. So I'm just taking child's pose here to stretch my back, catch my breath, and get ready for the next pose in which I want to do. Usually important for you to know how to control, breathe, and just find your balance while you get ready for the next pose. Now I'm going to come into 3-legged dog before I take my next tricky pose. Now guys, this pose is not that tricky because almost everybody knows it, but it's like similar to splits, but it's in half pigeon position. Now it's tricky because this pose, half pigeon, is very good whether beginners or non-beginners. You can actually do this pose because it is a hip opener and it can help you to get your splits. So if you practice your pigeon pose almost every time, it will definitely help you to get your splits. As you can see, I prepared in half pigeon before I'm moving all the way out now to get my splits, moving and adjusting my leg until my whole leg is flat on the ground. So this is my full split pose. I chose this as part of my tricky poses because it looks very appealing to the eyes, and most beginners thinks it is difficult, but this pose is not difficult at all. It is very interesting, and just like I said, half pigeon would definitely help you to be able to get your splits. So now guys, moving on into it, I'd already completed it on the other side. I'm going to sit again here almost like I'm a half lizard, and then I move to splits. It's very comfortable. It's a very hip opener. It stretches your body, builds your stamina, increases your endurance in doing poses that stretches your hips. So guys, just remember to keep trying and practicing. Thank you so much guys for watching to the end. Remember to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.